Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. In the hallowed halls of academia's embrace, an adjunct professor treads a transient space. Lectures prepared in the dim light of dawn. Their expertise shared, but stability's gone. No office to call theirs, no tenure to hold. A passion for teaching, bright and bold. Yet, with each course, uncertainty anew. A path paved with challenges, for the chosen few. The controversy surrounding Professor Johnson Varkey's lecture at St. Philip's College. Professor Johnson Varkey's genetics lecture, specifically addressing sex determination via X and Y chromosomes, sparked significant controversy. This experienced educator's professional life began to unravel following a student walkout, driven by allegations of religious preaching, discriminatory remarks, and misogynistic comments. The legal and public debate. This incident rapidly morphed into a legal battle that has stirred a public debate centered on the themes of academic freedom, religious discrimination, and the intersection of personal beliefs with educational content. Varkey's defense, led by Associate Counsel Kayla Toney from the First Liberty Institute, contended his dismissal was unwarranted, arguing that his teachings were rooted in established scientific truths. Outcome and its wider significance. Professor Varkey's subsequent reinstatement after a favorable settlement was perceived as a victory for academic freedom. This case reflects on the nuanced balance between academic independence and student sensitivities, prompting a broader contemplation on the complexities of intertwining science, religion, and education. It highlights ongoing discussions about appropriate teaching materials and the influence of personal beliefs on educational content. The erosion of academic freedom amid a profit-driven educational model. Shift in curriculum and research focus. The transformation of universities towards profit-oriented operations has raised concerns about the degradation of academic freedom. This paradigm often leads to a curriculum and research agenda dictated more by market demands than by academic excellence or scholarly importance. Professors may feel compelled to align their teaching and research with what is commercially viable, sidelining basic research or disciplines with no clear market appeal. This not only limits their academic endeavors but also detracts from the scholarly and intellectual contribution of their work. Publishing demands an increased administrative control. The pressure on faculty to publish in prestigious journals and to secure external funding exemplifies the challenges posed to academic freedom. This environment encourages a focus on research with immediate financial benefits, potentially at the expense of pure scholarly inquiry. Moreover, the profit-driven models, heightened administrative oversight, could further encroach on faculty autonomy, influencing policies and decisions impacting academic freedom. The impact of contractual constraints and adjunct professorship. The expansion of adjunct professor roles, coupled with the decline in tenure-track positions, marks a significant shift in academic employment. Adjunct faculty often face precarious working conditions, with minimal job security and limited benefits, making them hesitant to explore controversial topics for fear of job loss. Notably, the proportion of faculty in tenure-track positions has dramatically decreased from approximately 45% in 1975 to around 25% in recent years, according to the American Association of University Professors, AAUP. This decline in tenure-track roles has profound implications for academic freedom, as adjuncts, who may work multiple jobs to make ends meet, are less empowered to challenge institutional norms or engage in controversial research. Furthermore, the financial realities tied to these positions are stark. Adjunct professors are frequently paid significantly less per course than their tenure-track counterparts, without the benefits of job security, health insurance, or retirement plans. This economic disparity not only underscores the precarious nature of adjunct work but also illustrates the real costs associated with the decline of tenure, affecting both the quality of education and the livelihoods of those who deliver it. Upshot: the discourse surrounding Professor Johnson Varkey's case and the ongoing shifts in higher education underline the intricate dance between delivering knowledge and honoring diverse perspectives, as the academic landscape continues to evolve under financial pressures and market demands. The dialogue on maintaining academic freedom amidst these changes is more crucial than ever. This conversation challenges educators, administrators, and policymakers to find ways to preserve the core values of academic freedom and integrity, ensuring a rich and diverse academic environment for future generations. Contrast this journey with tenure's steady hand, where a professor's future is firmly planned. An office adorned with books and accolades. Security in their role, as time fades. Research pursued with a mind free and clear. Knowing their place in academia is secure, year after year. A balance of teaching, service, and scholarly quests. In the life of a tenure professor, knowledge finds its best rest. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.